We're gonna stop doing singing because, you know, it is not working out. Okay? So, you know.
Because we're always texting.
No,
You're texting!
Because you're texting me like, oh my god, Cliff, hello, Cliff? Please, hello, Cliff, call me. Cliff, text me, I love you. She doesn't like you. Get it through your mind. Okay, well, we were trying to do something, but it's not gonna work. So, yeah. You're an idiot.
Me?
No! Bob's an idiot, Sam.
Alright, I'll go get your hamster then. He is your hamster.
It's a guinea pig, okay? Just to let you know, okay? Okay, not a hamster, because hamsters are not black and white. Okay? Okay, some can be, but he's long. He's like a hot dog, but black and white. Like this color right
A
now.
black and white hot dog. Wow.
But furry. You know what I mean? Whatever, it's hard to explain an idiot to an idiot like this. I love your face, you're like...
I don't like my face though.
She likes boys and girls.
What?
What? I'm gonna show you my bracelet. I'm a heartbreaker. Kind of, in a way. I'm fearless, definitely. I'm not scared of her. Well, she's kind of a beast, but... I didn't say obese, I said beast. Okay? I love you.
I hate you.
I love you too. Okay? I hurt nerves. Yeah, the young candy. And
I go get your dogs.
No. And then Drake, we're trying to sing to him, but no, he doesn't know how to sing, right?
Oh my god! If we just play one of my songs.
Oh, what's your songs? I'm gonna commit suicide because the boy doesn't like you, me. Da da da. Duh. Alright, bye. Love you guys. She's gay. Bye. Get an idea, I think. Bye.
Covered my